welcome to your London Locksmith. Okay, got a job here. Front door, multi-point mechanism, but it doesn't really lock. Sometimes it locks. So we'll have to sort this out for them and we'll update you later. Hey, welcome back to your London Locksmith. Okay, we've taken the lock apart, opened it up. As you can see, there's some broken components in the lock. So that's what's preventing the key from turning. Or, you know, it turns sometimes and refuses to turn other times. So we'll get this mechanism changed and yeah, it should be all sorted after that. So we'll update you later. Okay, we've put the new center gearbox in place. Here's the old one. So we just put all this back together and we'll update you. We should. Hey, welcome back to your London Locksmith. Okay, we've put everything back together. I'll show you it's all in good working order. So now I can lock, open, and we'll show you with the door closed. So front door mechanism supplied and replaced, all working, job done.